You found a product idea and you think it's going to succeed on Amazon UAE or KSA. Worry not, there is a way to validate. Validating your product before launching it on Amazon will save you time and money. In this video, I'll reveal a simple 3-step process for you to follow in order to validate any product that you intend to sell on Amazon, specifically Amazon UAE. Let's get started. Now, here are the 3 steps that we're going to be following. And of course, in order to validate any product idea or so many other things that you want to do on the Amazon platform, you need tools to help you assess and analyze the data. In this case, in this video, I'm gonna be using Helium 10. Arguably one of the most popular Amazon tools for Amazon sellers. Helium 10, as of me filming this video, currently operates on Amazon UAE, but does not operate on Amazon Saudi Arabia. Hopefully, Saudi Arabia will be added soon. But if you're an Amazon UAE seller, you could utilize Helium 10. And by the way, we have a discount code for you. You'll find it linked in the description box of this video that can give you a 20% discount on your Helium 10 subscription. So let's get started with step number 1, market demand. And of course, by market, I mean Amazon market. So when you log in to Helium 10, in order to assess demand, we're going to be utilizing a tool called Magnet. Inside of Magnet, you have to, number 1, select the marketplace where you're going to be validating this product. So in our case, we're going to be selecting UAE. Then you have to have prepared the keyword because what we're looking for is the search volume of that keyword. So what keyword are customers using to search for the product that you intend to sell? And the third thing is, I need you to have in mind what would be an acceptable search volume for that keyword for you and what you are about to do. So I logged into Helium 10, logged into Magnet, selected Amazon UAE, typed in the keyword hangers. As you can see here, Magnet provided me the information for that particular keyword, hangers, with a search volume of 2,222. I can even click here in order to see the search volume over the course of a year, as an example, and to see whether or not this is a product that has always been in demand. Additionally, Magnet is going to give me some additional keywords that might be very similar to this keyword. I might have selected a keyword that isn't the highest ranked keyword. So you can just look at the keywords right here and see their search volumes as well. If you click on search volume, it'll give you highest to lowest or lowest to highest. As you can see here, hangers is actually the highest ranking keyword for this product. Hangers cloth is the second highest keyword at 1,639. And then you've got clothes hanging stand, 1,503. So now I know what the potential demand for this product is on Amazon. Quick pro tip, look for products with stable demand and not just seasonal spikes. Now, before we move on to step number 2, I want to remind you that the Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society are certified Amazon service provider, and we support and help sellers just like you on the Amazon platforms on Amazon UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. We've got incredible programs that we can assist you through these programs for anything that you require on the Amazon platform. Make sure that you reach out to our team on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. Also, make sure that you check out our secret file. Well, it's not so secret. The file is actually containing some important secrets for you to succeed on the Amazon platform. You'll find it linked in the description box of this video and you can download it for free. Number 2, analyze competition. For this, we're going to be utilizing Helium 10's Chrome extension and a tool inside of Helium 10's Chrome extension called X-Ray. The 3 things that we're going to be looking at are, number 1, how many competitors. The fewer competitors, the better. Number 2, how many reviews do these competitors have? Of course, you're going to find competitors that do have reviews, but they need to be acceptable amount of reviews because we're going to be competing against them. And number 3, seller type. Who's the seller? Is it a well-established brand? Is it Amazon themselves? Those are very important things to highlight and to remember. So I'm on Amazon.ae itself, and I logged in and I typed in the keyword hangers. What I want now is to open the Helium 10 drop-down extension and utilize a tool called X-Ray. As you can see, X-Ray again showed me what the search volume is, which we saw, but it also gives me some averages, such as what is the average selling price of the product, which is kind of important to highlight as well. Here, I'm able to see who are the people that are advertising, but also look at things like the top sellers. So if I move on like this a little bit, I can basically see that SkyTouch is selling 111 units, generating 2,000 dirhams per month. This red dot is selling almost 619 units per month, 434 units per month, 753. So Amazon Basics is obviously one of the best sellers here, but there are a lot of sellers that are selling upwards of 100 units per month. And you could also check, very important, like we said, what are the selling prices? Because when you're selling, you're competing against sellers that have different selling prices. And also you can check the reviews. By going to the end right here, you can see the rating, like is it 4 out of 5 stars, 5 out of 5 stars, and how many reviews. And also one fun thing is to see how many reviews are increasing on a monthly basis approximately, which helps you understand what type of reviews you need to get and what you need to do in order to accelerate your reviews as well. And number 3, validate profit margins. Of course, profitability is a very important part of any successful business. And because Amazon has so many different fees involved with selling on the platform, it might not be very obvious for you from the beginning how much money Amazon is going to take for each product that you are selling. Again, we're going to utilize Helium 10's drop-down extension, something called profitability calculator to help us assess the profitability. The things to look out for would be to check what is the FBA fee, what is the referral fee, and also to make sure that you have the correct or almost close product dimensions to help us understand whether or not we're looking at the correct numbers. In this case, I went into a page, a product page, and I want to see if I want to sell something similar to this, what would be my profitability. Again, Helium 10 Chrome extension. I keep calling it drop-down extension, but it's the Chrome extension that drops down. And we're going to select profitability calculator. Based on the price and similar dimensions, the same dimensions that we see right here, I'm getting all of the fees. The FBA fee is 14 dirhams based on the size of the unit, of course, and I could also see what is the referral fee. I just need to select the category. Let me select the home category. The referral fee is 6.6 dirhams based on selling the product at almost 60 dirhams. Now, here also Helium 10 has suggested a manufacturing price. This is just a suggestion, it's not real, with the freight cost as well. Also, this is just like a general suggestion. It's very important to take the right numbers so that you can understand your profitability, or at least if you're happy with this profit and you are okay with selling the product at 60 dirhams and everything is fine, then now you know how much the unit should cost you at manufacturing. So it's like reverse engineering to understand when you find the manufacturer, the unit should cost you not more than 12 dirhams so that you can attain these types of numbers. Pro tip, don't forget to account for any shipping charges, customs clearance, VAT, duties that you might need to pay in order to import your products from, let's say, China over to the UAE. Now, before we end everything, I just want to talk about common mistakes. I'm going to focus on 3 common mistakes. Mistake number 1, relying on seasonal products, things that you find trending on places like TikTok, for example, without doing any validation. Validate everything that you intend to sell. Number 2, forgetting about shipping costs and all of those additional costs that we sometimes forget to account for. This is very important that you add them into your fees so that you understand whether or not the product is profitable. And number three, jumping into overly saturated markets without doing any assessment or without making any customization to the product, just being another seller of a similar product that's very much in demand doesn't mean that the product is going to succeed. Remember, if you need help with anything related to Amazon and specifically with product validation, reach out to our team. You can book a call on our website, or you can look at all of the links in the description box of this video. As always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.